Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today is a little Sephora haul, y'all. I've already opened up some of the things. I do have some of the things still left in the bag. I did a little face with what I did get. And yeah, so I just want to show you guys what I got. And I also got my birthday gift from Sephora as well. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the main reason why I went to Sephora was Fenty Beauty dropped another foundation and I had to go get it. That's just the truth. So we got it. I did get her and this is the Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I was beyond excited because I've been waiting for a powder. I love powders during the winter. I do. They're just easy, quick to put on. This is they call it a medium to full coverage foundation. I don't know about full coverage, but definitely buildable, which I definitely appreciate. I'm in the shade 185. It does have a mirror. And then it also comes with a little sponge as well. Honestly, this was super easy to do. You just tap, swipe, like, I don't think it gets any easier, honestly. Again, it's a really nice formula. It's very light on the face. It definitely covered up a lot of like my, darker spots. Like you can obviously still see some like little pimples coming through and whatnot. My mole is not covered. Not that serious on that. I kind of like my natural skin to show through on under my foundation a lot, most times. I got the Kaja Beauty Bento. This is, I thought I got it in, oh no, it says this is in rose water. It just doesn't look like it to me. See, these look purple, right? I think these look purple. It says rose water. And it has these three shades. So it's champagne cream, ballerina pink, and deep plum. It says it's rose water. But this, I don't see it. Like, I don't see it, like at all. This is pink to me. But on the back it says rose water. So I thought it was good because like when I was looking at them, they had like a pink one, like a more pink one. And then I saw like this more purple one. So I was like, oh, let me get the more purple. And I still feel like it's pretty pink, but whatever. It really is cute. I used the middle shade on my eyes and I used this one on my inner corner, this like champagne cream. And then the ballerina pink is what I have on my eyelid. And then I didn't use this bottom one, which is a deep plum. But it looked super pretty, really pretty. And again, it looks like a darker pink, not a plum, but it was just interesting to me. So I got this. I like to shop over at the little mini section or like where the checkout is and just like pick up things there. I feel like that's the place to get or to try things, if that makes sense, So let's see what else I got. Alrighty, so pretty much everything else I got was over in the mini section except for this. I did get the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is in glass slipper, so this one is completely clear. There's no pigment in it at all, no glitter, just straight clear. So really glad I finally got this. It'll be another addition to my collection. And I do have it on my lips as my gloss on top of what I'm wearing. So let's talk about what I'm wearing. I got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit. This was $25. Her stuff's already so expensive, so I thought might as well really see if it is worth all of the money. I will say, the pencil glides on like perfection and is this is like a mini size too, and I still feel like you get a lot of pencil. Like this is practically the size of my hand almost, not my hand but like my palm, so I feel like you do get a good portion and sharpenable. I have no complaints. It's a really neutral color. It does have a little bit of warmth on it, so but I like it. I think it looks really good. And then it also comes with like the mini lipstick version as well to complement it. And I will say, I feel like the lipstick is just like half a shade lighter than the lip liner, so that it does kind of give you that like automatic like plumped look, which is awesome. And I think like this mini gives you quite a bit for it being a mini. I had to try it out and honestly really like it. Now I'm like, oh, well, once these run out, we can maybe talk full size. Once they run out, they gotta run out first. And so I got another product from Kaja. This is the Mocha Minis. I already took them out of the packaging and I'll show you what they look like. This is a blush and highlighter duo. They're like little powders. This is what the little packaging does look like. And it says Mochi Pop. And this is in the shade Atmosphere. And it's pretty much the same shade as the packaging. And it has like a shimmer to it, or like a sheen for sure on it. And then let me show you the highlighter, which I cannot, where'd it go? And then the highlighter looks like this as well. And this one says Mochi Glow. And this is the little highlighter. It's a nice like little champagne color for sure. Definitely cute. So I got another blush and highlighter duo. but I got the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow blush highlighting set. That's what I'm wearing actually. I only put one swipe of the highlighter on. I probably could have done more. Let's do more. Why not? Just to up the ante. And it's definitely more of like a glitter reflective type highlighter and not so much of like a foil highlight. And then the blush also has a little bit of sheen to it as well. Definitely a lot of kick up, so definitely probably a pressed powder. So honestly, I think a little goes a long way with these for sure. I got as well were these two Nars mini, these are the mini Afterglow lip balms. These are beautiful, by the way. Like, the packaging on this is stunning. Like, I just thought these were super cute. So let me pull these out really quick. These are what they look like. It's just these little mirrored, and they're like tinted little mini lippies. This one is in Dulce Vita, and I've already used these. And it has like a more of like a deeper pink on it. Looks really good on the lips and just like a natural like tint of color, honestly. And then this one is in Orgasm, which is a more like lighter bright pink. And then, so I got these, right? And then it's also my birthday month, so I was like, oh, let me get my birthday gift. They had another Nars set. Hold on, it's right here. This is the Nars Laguna. So it comes with a bronzer and the Afterglow lip balm as well in the shade Laguna. So this is the bronzer in Laguna. And it comes with like a little mirror as well, which I think is super convenient. And it's in this little soft matte, and it has this kind of like bronzy color on it as well. Super cute. I think browns are really, honestly, I like brown tones anyway. I could use this in eyeshadow. I did use it as a bronzer to contour my cheekbones a little bit today. And then it also came with a, like I said, a Afterglow lip balm. And this one is like a brown as well. And I really, really love this shade on. And it literally looks just like the packaging, which I think is super cute. It's like a little chocolatey bronze color. Honestly, really good for January. I think I like to wear browns in January. I just do. I think they look really good on, and I think that's like perfect for my birthday gift as well. So I did get two more things on my little Sephora haul. I got this IKG Styling Essentials. It comes with a smoothing spray, a texturizing spray, and a charcoal dry shampoo. So really excited to try this. I'll probably keep this here for while I'm here, because I'll need stuff to take care of my hair while I'm here at my mom's as well as at home. Because most of my stuff that I use at home is at home. So I'm going to keep it there. And the last thing I got, I did use my points to get this. A lot of times I like to save up my points so I can get full dollar amounts off. But I was like, why not? Because I saw this. So this is the Fresh Rose Hydration Heaven Set. So it comes with a cleanser, a deep face hydration cream, a face mask, and a lip treatment and an SPF 15 on it. So I thought this was super cute, and I've always really wanted to be trying some of these Fresh products. I don't think I've tried any that I can think of off the top of my head, but who knows what products I really have. I don't have an inventory or anything like that. Maybe I should start one. I don't know. We'll see. That is everything I got in my little mini Sephora. It's not even a mini Sephora. I guess it is because I got minis, but you get what I'm saying. This completes today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.